Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff. My content's all about beauty, lifestyle, crafting, and sometimes I bake. If that sparks any of your interests, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. If you are not new here, what it do, shorty? As for today's video, clearly it's a beauty video and you guys are going to get ready with me so I can go to Cedar Point. Super exciting. The only thing is it's gonna be freaking hot, like 95 degrees. It's gonna be this look right here. Prepped it, primed it, did a shit ton of setting spray. Yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look and want to watch me get ready, then go ahead and keep watching my video. To start off, I'm going in with La Roche Posay Double Repair Moisturizer so my face can be nice and hydrated. And of course, I'm going to go in with Sun Bum SPF 30 because we are going to be in the sun, so that skin protection is very important. I honestly don't know how to feel about this sunscreen applicator thing. It's okay, but it's not my ideal thing to go to. Now, to make sure that our makeup is going to stick, I'm going in with e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I usually only apply it in my T-zone, but today I'm applying it all over because we really don't need any blotchiness. Now it's time for brows. I'm filling in my brows with City Color Eyebrow Kit and using the darkest color on there. So I'm just filling in. I'm kind of going for a more 2016 brow on the outer end of my eyebrows and blending it out towards the front. So if you're not new here, you might be noticing that the background is completely different. And yeah, it's because I finally made it to my destination, which if you haven't seen my last video, I was packing to go visit family and I made it. So this is me using my mother-in-law's bathroom. Her lighting is like phenomenal. That's why this video looks super professional. So I'm gonna need to upgrade my lighting as well. That's why the background's different. I'm not home. I'm getting ready to go to Cedar Point. I'm on vacation, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna call this a half 2016 brow because it's not fully a bold brow. But we're still using some type of the same technique. So we're filling it in officially at the ends, fluffing it out at the front, but then we are going back with our foundation brush and we're carving our brows. Only at the bottom though, not at the top, just the bottom, so we can have a clean finish. So now we're going to move to eyeshadow, and I'm using the Morphe eyelid primer in the color Translucent, and I'm applying that all over my lid. I'm telling you, primer is going to be your best friend when you're going to an amusement park. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is a lustrous shadow palette, and I'm just using the lightest brown that they have in there as my base color, and that's what you see me putting on in my crease and everywhere all over my lid. I honestly didn't want to do any shadow today, but for the sake of the video, I did decide to do it because why not? You can add any type of eyeshadow you want. I just went more with a neutral look because I didn't really want to be all out there for an amusement park. But now that we have our base pretty much set, we are going to go in with a darker shade of brown. Not too dark either, but we are going to focus this specifically on our crease and the outer corners of our eyes. Make sure you blend this out very well so you leave no creasy lines or any dark shades in one eye than the other. So use a lot of blending with this and make sure it's only in the crease and in the outer corners of your eyes. Now for the lids, I'm going in with a really light cream, almost white eyeshadow color, and I'm placing that all over my lid. Now for the lid, I feel like I do like using brushes to apply eyeshadow on the lid, but if I'm being honest, I prefer adding eyeshadow with my finger. I feel like it comes out more pigmented and it just stays on better than trying to fix it all with a brush. So yeah, I was trying to use a brush here, but later on you'll see me use my finger. I'm just doing some final touches with the same base color that I use. I honestly don't know what was so funny. Yeah, we were having a good time. We were listening to music. My son was like sitting on the floor going up and down the stairs. Yeah, there was a lot going on behind the scenes. For foundation, I'm mixing my Too Faced Born This Way in Natural Beige foundation with my Sephora Make No Mistake foundation in the color Walnut, because I got too tan this summer and my Too Faced Natural Beige is no more. Like, that is my concealer now. It's way too light for my face, so I have to mix these two to kind of create a new foundation, and I gotta say that my color matching is insane. For contour, we're using that same Sephora Make No Mistake contour stick in the color Walnut, and I'm just putting that in my cheekbones, my temples. I'm contouring my nose and under my chin, like my jawline, and we're just gonna blend that out. I kind of stepped away from this contour for a minute because one, it was just way too dark for me. Now that it's summer, it's like blending in perfectly. I get that bronzy look because it has a warm undertone. Yeah, this foundation is like my new go-to again, as it was like years ago. I'm using it for multiple things. Now for concealer, I'm going in with my Medium 2 Ginger by NARS, and this concealer, even though when I used it, it was literally my color, now it's super light and I love it. Everything that I want to be brightened, it just enhances everything. So I put it in my under eyes, on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, and on my chin. It just looks so beautiful, and I just feel like I'm giving that 2016 look again. Yeah, I know everyone wants this clean girl aesthetic to stay, but I don't. I want 2016 to come back. Since this concealer is super light, I'm just going in with my foundation brush and blending everything out. Now I'm going to go in with my Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier, and I'm just setting my under eyes real quick and anywhere that I will crease in my face, just so it doesn't crease throughout the time that I'm applying the rest of my makeup. For me, the places that crease up are under my eyes, my forehead because I have too many facial expressions, around my nose, and in my chin. It's usually my oily areas that I really want to secure, and the wrinkles that I already have on my face. That's what you see me doing here, just lightly setting it, and then after we're gonna go in with a full set later. Now we're gonna go in with bronzer. I'm going in with my Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. I need to buy more. I have nothing in here but like a speck of dust. Girl, I'm working with it because I just love this so much and I just can't go to Sephora right now and get it. For highlighter, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dripping in Gold Stick highlighter, and I'm just melting that with my finger and applying it to the tops of my cheekbones and on my nose. For blush, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Putty blush, and it's a cream blush, so I'm just applying that on my cheekbones. I feel like this color is perfect for summer. I do have a more deeper tone blush, but we're just saving that for the fall season. I'm honestly ready for fall. I know everyone's gonna hate me for that, but it's just so freaking hot. Like, I'm ready for Halloween to come. Now we're gonna go back with our Translucent Honey, and this time is where we're gonna set our entire face and make sure everything stays in place. Oh. Yeah, I mean, don't go overboard like I just did. So now I'm just curling my lashes and prepping them for my lash application. I didn't record the process of me putting on lashes because I stuck a mirror in front of my face and you guys couldn't see anything. Yeah, I'm just letting you know I'm using the Ardell wispy lashes. Oh my god, for lips, this is what you need for an amusement park or any place where you just don't want to retouch your lips and you're going to be out all day busy. I'm using the Sacheu lip stain, and the first one I'm applying is the one in the color pink, and once that dries I'm gonna peel it off and then I'm gonna put the color mauve. This stayed on the entire day. I'm telling you guys, this lip stain combo is a must for an amusement park, a date night, whatever. If you're gonna be busy all day and you don't have time to apply and reapply your lipstick, do this. I'm telling you, it's a game changer and you will look flawless the entire day. For mascara, I'm going in with a Bad Gal Bang Waterproof Mascara by Benefit, and I'm applying that to the top and bottom lashes. Midway, I just realized that I didn't bake, so once I'm done with my top lashes, I'm going to continue baking again with my Honey Translucent Powder, grabbing my little sponge thing, I don't know what that's called, but using that and setting my under eyes and my chin, just so everything sticks in place. I want everything secure, so that's what I'm doing. Now I'm just applying my mascara to my bottom lashes finally to complete the look. Now it's finally time to peel off this lipstick and look how beautiful that looks. It is giving very fall vibes, but I don't care. To set the look, you know I had to go in with my MAC Prep & Prime Fix Plus spray, and I sprayed a lot. Now I'm just making sure everything dries, and we are finally done with our makeup. Oh my god, I feel like the process to get here took forever because I had to stop and like cater to my kid, but it looks so good. As for my hair though, thankfully everything kind of went as planned, because usually I'm stuck in a mirror trying to figure a hairstyle out and I end up getting mad and frustrated and just don't care. But today it actually worked out, so I did a quick little low bun type of look with, you know, my little pieces in the front out, and it lasted all day. It wasn't too tight, but it was super secure for roller coasters and all. But yeah, that's what I went with today because I was not about to have my hair down my back and with me hot and sweaty. Like, no, I needed my hair up and cute. So yeah, this is what I went with. For accessories, I'm going in with my earrings that I got on Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to get them. It's just a bunch of gold earrings. I got some hoops, mini hoops, little diamonds, and then some studs. These are super cute, and yeah, definitely needed some type of accessories for today. So this is a final look, makeup, hair, and all. It looks very secure. So this is my outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a tan shirt, some shorts with the belt, and some white shoes. Very comfortable, but also stylish, I feel like. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I think my makeup's pretty secure. We'll see how it freaking lasts. I really prepped it and primed it up so it can last through this fucking heat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.